उड़ू ऊंचा।
Hey! Who is hiding behind the box? I can hear somebody. It sounds like it's an animal. Oh, yes, you are right. It's a cat. This cat is so cute. This is a camel. Camels have a hump at their backs. I am scared riding on a camel. Do you like to ride on a camel? Look! What is coming towards the cat? It is a caterpillar. This caterpillar is green and it is always hungry. Cat, cute, camel, caterpillar. Today we are going to learn the sound of the letter C. Say with me. It looks like somebody is having a birthday party. Can you tell me what is this? Yes, it is cake. It's a birthday cake. We all love to eat cake. Cake. There are 6 candles on the cake. The girl is 6 years old. Candles. We can also have popcorn in a birthday party, can't we? Popcorn is made from corn. This is a corn. Corn. The clown looks so funny. Clown. This girl gave candies in the goodie bag. Candy. Cake. Corn. Candles. Clown. Candy.
Like, share and subscribe.